What's up guys, it's me TJet, and today I will show you how to build this Boeing 737-700 in the desert sand livery. Okay, we start with the wing. You need 1 to 3 by 6 like this angle piece. Then you need this 1 by 2 with the hinge, and then you put it here like that. Then for the engine you need 2 1 by 2, then you place it like this, and 1 by 1 flat piece like this. Then you put it here. It should look like this, and you do another one. Okay, we will build the main fuselage. First we will build the support for the wing. It's a 2 by 3. Then to build the landing gear you need a 1 by 1 black piece and a dot, a gray dot. Then you put 2. You need 3, 1 here. Okay, now we will build the fuselage. You will need a 1 by 10, 3 by 10, and you put it here, like that. Then for the front you will need a 1 by 1 angle piece like that, another 1 by 1 angle piece, but this is transparent like that. Then you will need a 1 by 1 flat piece and a 1 by 8 flat piece. You put it here. Then you will be needing a 1 by 1 angle piece here. For the back we need 1 by 2, and put it here, and here. Then you put it on the main fuselage like that. Then you will need a 1 by 3 gray piece, then a 1 by 1, then a 2 by 3 angle piece like that. Then you need a 1 by 4 here. Like that. Then you put these 1 by 1 here. Then you take your 2 by 3, you put it here in the middle. Then the landing gear here. Then your right wing and the another wing here. Here. That's your Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700 in the desert sand livery. Okay, tell me in the comments down below if you like this type of format for my videos. Thank you. Bye.